Wala pa rin sa mga nag-number 1 sa Itbulaga, DJ Dubious and Chase na Talento na Todo.
Napakaganda ng chance na ito para makakita namin sa inyo lahat ang talent namin.
So, todong-todo thank you sa Itbulaga.
Break it down now with our Talento na Todo champions, DJ Dubious and Chase.
Come on, people! Hey! Come on! Here we go, here we go, here we go! Soldier boy up in it, watch me crack it, watch me roll. Watch me crack that soldier boy, that Superman, that older, watch me do. Don't watch me do. Don't watch me do. Don't watch me do. Soldier boy up in it, watch me crazy, watch me roll. Watch me play that Superman, that all that watch me do. That watch me do. That watch me do. Here we go, people. Ga-ga-ga-na, ga-ga-ga-na, na-na-na-na-na-na. One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Sabah! Hey! Louder! Itak-tak mo, itak-tak mo, itak-itak, itak-tak mo, itak-tak mo, itak-tak mo, itak-itak, itak-itak, Sabah! Itak-tak mo, tak-tak-tak.
Beatbox on the one, kasama si DJ Mike and Mocha with Ryan.
Music! Music! Music!
Please don't stop the music, 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 music. It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I gotta get my body moving, set the stress away. I wasn't looking for nobody when you look my way. A super candidate, yeah. Do you know what you're starting? I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on a dance floor right tonight. Your hand around my waist, just let the music play. We're hand in hand, chest to chest, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do it. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the. Please don't stop. Please don't stop the music. Music.
What is it now? Let's do this!
Pinagbiyak na bunga, yan si William Salazar na kamukha ni Oyo Soto.
Dati na ako ng pagkakamalang si Oyo. Nang makilala ko siya at makaharap, okay siya. Simula nung manalo ako, kinukuha na ako sa mga TV guestings. Salamat sa Itbulaga.
Eto na ang pinagbiyak na bunga, William Salazar and Oyo Soto.
Holding on the rope that we 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what they say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Anyway, you tell me that it's all will be, don't think I turn around and say that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late.
One-on-one sa March 1. At eto pa ang para sa mga number 1 sa amin.
One-on-one ngayong March 1 sa Itbulaga.